Okay, well, hi everyone. My name is Jibril. I'm from Mali, West Africa. In today's video, I'm gonna let you know 3 techniques to finally speak English. The first one is to read aloud. Read aloud is a technique can help you to improve your speaking, because once you read aloud, you're gonna learn a lot of vocabularies, a lot of things. Read something you like it, read for fun. Don't read stuff boring, something like that. Go online or find a book you are interested, you want to know, you want to turn pages, you want to continue, go ahead and read out loud. You can record yourself after reading out loud to check your progress, but read out loud is a wonderful technique to improve your speaking. Teacher Joe Crossman recommend to read for fun. Teacher Joe Crossman teach different students at the university in Canada named St. Mary's University in Halifax. Recommend to read for fun, to read something we are interested in, to read something we like it, we love it. That's gonna help us as English learner to improve our vocabularies, to improve our grammar, to improve our speaking, to learn a lot of things because we like it, we love it, we can learn it easily. The second thing is to shadow native English speaker. Shadowing native English speaker is to repeat after them. For example, you watch a video or you listen to audio podcasts and you repeat what you heard to master your pronunciation. In that way, again, also you can learn a lot of things, a lot of phrases, how to say things. And especially if you watch videos and you have subtitles or no subtitles and you repeat after native English speaker, you're gonna learn how native English speaker express something, say something on a daily basis. And the third one is to practice your English with a partner. Practice is the key. Teacher Gabby Wallace say practice is 75% of the learning process. That means practice is so important. If you don't practice your English, it's gonna be difficult for you to improve your English. So practice your English with a friend, partners, and so on around the world. Via WhatsApp, you have some English partner, or if you have some friend can speak in English, practice with them on Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. We have a lot of application website like Free for Talk, like real life English application like Speak Paul and application. All those material are wonderful to help you to practice your English every single day with another person to help you to improve your speaking, because the more you practice, the better your English will be. If you practice your English with other people, if you continue express yourself by giving more details, more example, more reason, and by telling stories and so on like that, and by giving your opinion about things, topic like that, you're gonna see how your English gonna be improved by practicing your English every single day, or 3 times a week, 2 times a week, 5 times a week. You're gonna see the difference. Start practicing your English and get the improve.